So here's another unboxing video. This is the Steyr L9-A2. So this is, I guess, like the Gen 2 version of the A1 that's been around for a while. This was first released at SHOT Show unofficially. They announced it, said it would be coming stateside pretty soon. As of when I'm filming this right now, these just hit stateside less than 2 weeks ago. I live in California, so I just got out of jail after the 10-day wait. But first impression, I really like it a lot. This is the box, obviously, that comes in. When you open it up, you're going to see there's the handgun itself. There are a couple of different grip sizes here, so you can interchange those like Glock's been doing, I think, since their Gen 4. So there's a mag in it. There's a mag here. Mag capacity is 17, so 17 plus 1. You can buy the plus 2 and throw that on the bottom, so you could get 19 plus 1 for a total of 20. Overall impression, it's a great gun. It's big. It looks different for sure. It's got a big rail on the front. It already has a stipling in it, which I like because I used to do that to my Glocks before they offered it. It's interesting, you know, for a striker-fired pistol. Impression that I had was just really how smooth the trigger is. It's got a good grip. It's pretty small at the top, kind of like an M&P, so it's definitely a lot skinnier of a grip than a lot of the Glock pistols. Super smooth trigger. The sight alignment is really interesting because of the triangle configuration. So if you haven't seen this before, I'll try to find an image of it and throw it up on this video. But essentially your front sight is a triangle and the back sight is basically two lines like that, and you're lining that up with the triangle. So thing to get used to. Personally, I like it quite a bit. And we'll be running it through a couple different exercises today, and we'll show you guys some footage of that too.